Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. How's everyone doing on this Sunday afternoon? It's pretty chilly outside. Welcome to my channel, guys, Joey Barnett TV. Sorry I haven't uploaded much content over the last few days, but I've had quite a few bits and pieces to be getting on with. Today my missus is shot down to London with her friend, a good friend Julie. Very kindly offered to give her a lift, and she's gone to St George's Hospital to see her dad. I'm at home looking after the dogs and cooking a bit of food. So, as you can hear it in the background, guys, I'll spin the camera and I'll show you what I'm making. Fried chicken. If videos or phones had smell sense, this would knock your socks off. Completely knock your socks off, guys. I'll tell you what I use. I'll give you a little telltale sign. What I use is Thai chili peppers or Scotch bonnets you could use, and what I normally do is I'll chop them up fine and I'll put them into like a half a litre jug or a 1 litre jug, and I'll cover that with oil. Now I'll leave that for as long as possible, maybe even for a few weeks, to be honest with you, and then every time I do my fried chicken I cover the chicken in this oil, marinade oil, which I've had for a few weeks now. I use quite a lot of seasoning on my chicken. What I'll do is I'll put a little bit of Cajun on it, a little bit of chicken seasoning, a bit of ginger, a bit of garlic, a bit of all-purpose. What else do I use? What else do I use? I think that is about it. That's what I use, guys. But yeah, I normally marinate this chicken up at least 24 hours, soaked in that marinated oil, and then I'll stab the chicken up and let the oil seep through to the chicken. It is absolutely beautiful. It smells like heaven. Whatever heaven smells like, this is heaven. Sorry guys, I'm using one hand, it's a little bit dangerous, but I've had it on the pan for around 20 minutes, half hour, just till it goes a golden brown. And what I will do is switch it over to the smaller flame, which is smaller flame even, which is at the front. I'll be serving this up with rice and peas, and eat the chicken off of the bone how it is. So yeah guys, that's what I'm up to today. I'm off to my friend's garage this coming Thursday, Blonde's Garage, which is in Brighton. They're very good friends of mine, mechanics, very good mechanics. If anyone needs anything doing to their bike, any parts adding or a service, crash repairs, all sorts, go over to these guys, use my name, and you'll get discount. And these guys are red hot, they're shit hot. So yeah, I've become very good friends with Gene a few years ago, and his dad and his brother, his family, they're all really nice people from Brazil, beautiful people, salt of the earth. And they very kindly fixed my KX250 last year, and sorry, the year before. Yeah, I'm missing a year. And I've become very good friends with them. I actually go out riding with them quite a lot actually. So yeah, I've got a little problem with my KX125. Nothing dramatic, nothing too bad, but water is leaking into the oil. I initially thought it was the head gasket, but they've got a sealed crank, and it recently had a bigger piston in it and had the barrels skimmed, so it had a new piston, had a new head gasket on it just last year, thank God. But there's a little seal which sits behind the water pump, down the bottom of the right, down by the clutch casing. It's only a little rubber seal, and that normally splits, and if that splits, that lets the coolant into the oil. And you know, when you see the oil coming out creamy out the sump, it makes you panic. But no, that's what it is. So Gene's very kindly offered to help me fix it. And what I'm going to be doing is Thursday, I'm going to load my bike up onto the trailer and go over to Blonde's garage. And he's got all the tools there, all the ramps there, and he's going to watch me repair it, watch me do it. Just someone just to keep an eye on me, just to make sure I'm fitting it right and bits and pieces like that. And I'm so grateful for having friends like Gene. Yeah, this is what you get in life when you start to roll right, guys, and when you reform yourself and when you're drug free. All the nice things start to happen in life, they really do. So the bike's in Thursday. I'm hoping to get out this weekend, maybe Saturday or Sunday, to Hillcrest MX track. I'll be uploading footage for that, guys, too. The reason why I'm not wearing glasses today is because I only wear them for reading. And one of my followers asked me if I'd do a video without any glasses on. I don't know why that is, but yeah, guys. I'm going to get on and cook the rest of this chicken, and I'll be uploading a bit more in a little bit. Whatever you're doing, stay safe. Have a great day. Peace.